This is our contribution to the Quran. We made it the only book in the world which is read without understanding. The Quran. They had the Quran, but we don't have the Quran. We have the text of the Quran. They had the reality of the Quran. Some Muslims who pray in the mosque, not some, many, they watch porn. You want more than this? They are addicted to porn. Knowledge here in the mind is not enough. You need Iman in the heart too. And that's why Lady Rab'a al-Adawiyya said, إن استغفارنا يحتاج إلى استغفار. Our istighfar needs istighfar. We need to ask forgiveness from Allah for the way we ask forgiveness from Allah.